Today is April 1st, and we're looking at the SPY. And today, SPY has about 0.17% dropped. The market is was weak. It's not crash. It just have a slight pullback. It's still within the if you look at the daily chart of SPY, it's still within the channel. So really nothing major damage made today. However, we use simple strategy. We use simple strategy, 5-day moving average again on daily chart. Remember last Friday, the 5-day moving average wasn't tested, but today, it went up high. It kept up. Actually, it kept up high, and then went all the way to test the 5-day moving average on daily chart. So if you look at how to enter it, if you look at the 1 minute, 2 minute, you can see. Look at the 1 minute and even 2 minute, the 10 and 20, cross 200. So the 50 on 1 minute chart, the 50 cross 200. It happened today. So this is a very good strategy for scalping. For few points, if you prefer to use even 2 minute too. As I said before, 1 minute almost 85% happening every day. 50 must cross 200. For 2 minute, 50 cross 200 is about probably 70%. I would say 75, 80% of the time it will happen every day. So this is a good strategy to use, either go long or go short for few points. But today, SPY, today's SPY, it went all the way to test 5-day moving average. So that's a pretty good profit for a short position. Again, today's close is above 5-day moving average. So 5 days now is a support. Well, I haven't seen any bearish, very very bearish sign going down dramatically yet. We will see. Let the market reveal it to us. Just be patient. Tomorrow again, use a simple strategy. See, for the 2 minute SPY, for tomorrow, see it will have a retracement, and the 50 will cross 200. I'm expecting a bounce tomorrow. So let's see the retracement of the SPY. Let's see. So for the SPY, looking at 1 minute chart, it hit the bottom 520.97 and then bounced all the way to 522.68, which is 50% retracement already. So let's see, it will keep on going, or it will break down below today's low. For the future S&P 500, which is ES, the ES had made a overnight high. When it opened on Sunday, we got a new high. And however, the SPY didn't follow. SPY didn't have a new high, but for the future ES had a new high, but it lost all the gains overnight. Let's see the ES here. Look at the ES 5 minute. Yeah. Yes, there was a overnight high right here. It hit 53.32 and then stay on the sideways for a long time, for at least 6-8 hours, and then finally it came all the way down. I guess the reason why it came down, again, on last Friday, from technical standpoint, last Friday it didn't test the 5-day moving average, but today it did test the 5-day moving average. As I said before, 5-day moving average is a strong support. It should be tested again and again, almost I would say 85 90% of the time it will be tested. So now today it closed above 5-day moving average, so it's a strong support. You have to I guess we have to look level by level. If you go short, there are lots of support below it. We got 5-day, 10-day, 20-day. Even this is as you see the daily chart, the biggest trend line here, 52, 53 is another big support. Has to break below 10 and 20 moving averages on daily chart to become bearish. So anyway, still bullish. And if you look at 240-minute chart of ES, yes, you can see 52.80 is another support level. So just be careful if you go short. Let's look at the 5-minute chart of the ES. Yeah. Shall we have retracement of ES? Let's see how much we can get. Yeah, for the retracement, it bounced off the low 52.82, and then there was a 38% retracement, and then pull back again. So don't know. We will see tomorrow. I think the best way to look at it, is look at the 5-minute and 3-minute. See, the 50 moving average will cross 200 moving average on 3-minute and 5-minute to determine, how high the retracement. And I guess for the technical point of view, I think that's it. Not much to see. It's still bullish. The ES future is still bullish. The market is still strong. I wouldn't call it bearish, but if you go short temporary, it's fine. Just have to look for your entry and then have your stop loss ready always. See you tomorrow. Bye. Today is April 1st. Let's look at the euro. Yeah, today euro, it touched 5-day moving average, daily chart. Look at that. It touched, as I always say, touching 5-day moving average is very important, and the chances of test the 5-day moving average are very high every day. So today it happened, and again, this is for the euro daily. This is a lower low, lower high. It's a downward trend. Should be we have a lots of resistance up there, 5-day, 10-day, 20-day moving averages. So I believe it's a good idea to open short position. So you can tell the entry should be near the 5-day moving average. You will enter it, just be patient, wait, you know, the cut loss, you know, anything, you know, close above yesterday's high, yeah, probably I cut it, you know, I would stop loss, you know. But anyway, today we're lucky, you know, we have profit. And look at the Euro 15-minute. As you can see, this is a nice, you know, channel wedge. It's a downward. Yeah, finally we had a breakout, you know, in the morning breakout. I've been waiting for it too, you know, all night. No morning, find a breakout, so went all the way down. This is a great trade. And look at the weekly chart. What? Okay, look at the weekly chart for Euro. Okay, look at the weekly chart of Euro. Now there's a triangle wedge, and there's a breakout below the trend line. I'm not sure it will retest the bottom trend line, which is this one. If it doesn't test it, it might keep going down. If it does test, if it close above, you know, then it will retest, you know, the top, the trend line here. So we will see next week. Okay, for tomorrow, I am looking for a bouncing, you know, from the bottom. I'm looking for a bounce, you know, maybe, you know, the 3 minute, 5 minute, the 10-20 moving average will cross above 200 moving average for the 3 minute, 5 minute, you know, and then see how high it will hit, you know, before, you know, we can enter short again. As long as, you know, stay below yesterday's high, I think it's a good short position. Anything above, you know, yesterday's high, we have to wait and see, you know, be patient. For now, you know, this is a Fibonacci retracement for today. So far we almost reached 23%, so wait to see if we get 50 or, you know, even more to enter a short position.